To tutorial number 3. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to administrate specific functions of the schools in the Coportal system. Right. In the previous tutorial, I was explaining what each and every management rule is. So in this one, I'll be using them. Right. So firstly, let's add a new module. Right. So you'll see here on modules. So I'll be using this test school because it's not being used by anyone. Right. So I'll click on add modules. So you'll see here on view, there's no module in our system. That means that if you log into this school, you won't see any module. So now you'll see here on access, I'm logged into that school, right? So if I quickly go to modules, so if I click here and go to modules here, you'll see there's no module because this school does not have any module added, right? So I'll quickly go back to that school management. And when I'm here, I'll click on modules and I'll say add single, right? So you can add a single module or you can add a list of modules. So I'll show you both ways, right? So let's add one module first. So I'll call this module math, and then I'll give it a code of grade 10, right? And then I'll just name it mathematics grade 10, right? So there's just a description. So I'll save it. After saving, you'll see that it says you have saved it. That's why it shows me a button to add one module, right? So I can keep on adding another one. So I can say math, and I say grade 9, grade 09, and then I'll come here and say mathematics grade 09, and I say save. So now it says 2, right? You can even click here on add bulk and you'll see those 2 modules that I've added already, right? So you can click this button. So it's exactly the same button as you can see here. It's exactly the same button. So this button means I'm saving them, right? So if I click it, you'll see it asks me, are you sure you want to add 2 modules? Because remember, I've added 2 modules. So I'll say yes. Now it has added those 2 modules into the school. So you see here now it says 2 modules. So if I click, you'll see them on view. Now they're there on the view screen, right? This school has 2 modules. And even if I go here to modules, you'll see those 2 modules here. So obviously they don't have any lectures, they don't have any students, they don't have any assessments, they don't have any notes, they don't have anything. So I'll show you the screen later. So they don't have anything because they're just new modules, right? So that's the first way of adding modules one by one, right? So you can already see that this will be a bit tedious if you have like 60 modules you'll have to add. So that's why we have an add bulk option, right? So here on the add bulk option, we have two cases. You have the first option, upload from CSV, and you have a download sample, right? So if you say upload from CSV, it will show you on your computer where do you want to pick that CSV. But now, since you're a new guy, you don't know the format of that CSV, right? A CSV is like a spreadsheet. You don't know the format of that CSV. That's why there's this button called download sample. So if I quickly click that download sample and I say I want to save it here on Coportal, I'll just save it here for now. I'll just name it modules like that. Now I can quickly open that sample on my PC. Yeah, now I can see how this thing looks, right? So you can see the format already. So now I can just quickly edit it. So let's add life science. So I'll add life science, grade 10, your grade 8, and I'll just say life science. So obviously you can see that this is Excel, so you can do anything that you want to do. You can duplicate, you can copy paste. So you can see the format already. It just needs a name, code, and description, and the name is that name, and then the code, and then the description. Let me just add life sciences to 2, and I'll just name them, I'll just name grade 8, 9, and 10, right? Grade 9 and grade 10. And then I'll just quickly do this, grade 9 and life science grade 10, right? So this is it. So I'll quickly save this on my PC. So I'll export it as CSV again, and I'll quickly save it on downloads. Yeah, downloads will be fine. I'll just call it modules _ new. So this, I've saved my CSV. So if you have 1,000 schools, you just add them here as many as they are. right? And you save the CSV. Now you have created a CSV that's in the correct format that you want. So now let's upload it, right? So I'll go back to the system. Remember, I downloaded it here. So now I'll click on upload from CSV because I've already set up my CSV. So I'll quickly go to downloads and I'll look for it. Where is it? Modules new, this one. So I'll quickly click it. So you'll see after clicking it, it imports those life sciences, and you can see now there are 3 modules, obviously because I added 3, but you can think about it as having a lot. So I'll add modules and I'll save. There we go. So now we have 5 modules, and then after that 5 modules, you can see it here as well that we have 5 modules. We have the new life sciences.